Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Angry Karen didn't like how close this white car got to her. She turned around and nearly caused the accident, just so she could yell at the driver of the white car. A reckless Tesla driver gets hit with instant karma after dangerous swerving through the traffic.
Oh snap! And I got that on dashcam too. He pulled right out, right in front of me.
Let's stop with road rage and idiot drivers and take a look at this wholesome video.
Get somebody else involved. Yeah, you will. You get them big companies. Now we get the other drivers out there. Them big companies will haul it for that rate.
Angry driver in pickup truck hits and then threatens and blames dashcam driver for the hit. Luckily, dashcam recorded everything and video was provided to police. Driver tried to skip traffic using bike lane, but that will backfire on him.
Ukraine, I know that's a big issue that's on the table at this point.
Well, I think it's the biggest issue right now that is confronting President Biden, the Biden administration. Some news.
This driver went on pursuit after he spotted that one of the drivers involved in the accident tried to flee. Luckily, he managed to caught up to him and get his license plate.
I'm following the guy right now. We're on I-94. We're going to be taking the exit. We're headed eastbound. It's northwest 242B on I-94 east. No, they just took the on-ramp. The
It's a whiskey
vehicle,
plate.
it's a whiskey plate.
WW8
Wix 8999. Yep, town car. Perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Dude, go. You gotta go back. You're on the wrong... Go. You have to go back. Go back. No, you have to go over there. No, go. You go. I have the stop sign. No, I have the stop sign. No, you have to go.
Oh!
What was that?
They just hit each other, and I got it on dash cam, I think, too. Oh.
Don't pull out in front of me. What the shit is wrong with you? Whoa!
Darling, what we have right here is
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.